Long entry. Gadgets and lifestyle.
So keeping in mind that this video was made during the 2020 pandemic of coronavirus,
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
and when I say during it, I mean about 450,000 deaths. Yikes. So it's only appropriate that we review something that will help you get through the pandemic hopefully safe and sound. We're looking at the iProven dual mode thermometer. This is the DMT489 model. And I've had this for about 3 years, so this has lasted pretty well for me, considering that it has been thrown around quite a bit by my toddler. I had nothing but positive things to say about this device, well, maybe just one drawback, which I'll talk about at the end, and then you can decide whether it's a deal breaker or not. So here in Pakistan, I've seen that it's available in a wide price range, surprisingly, ranging from about 5,000 rupees to about 15,000. Guess it depends on the seller who imported the product and took on taxes and shipping costs, etc. Especially nowadays, this is indeed a hot selling item, and the patriotic citizens that we are, this is expected to go for a higher than usual price, especially since it's very hardly available during the pandemic. It comes in this flimsy looking compact box, although it does have nice graphics. We'll look at the box later. Let's get to the device. See what we get. So they saved money on the packaging, but they made up for it by presenting the product in this velvety pouch that has a string on top for tightening. Good decision. Let's take it out. Looking at the thermometer, we can see that it has an ergonomical design with a slightly curved structure, making it comfortable to hold, with a panel on one side with a display and two buttons labeled head and ear, which means that it's a dual mode thermometer that can be used to take measurements from both the head and the ear. We'll get into that in a minute. On its underside, you can see the battery panel. Batteries are not included with the device. It uses two AAA batteries, and they last for quite a long time actually, so no worries there. Now let's talk about why you would want this in your home, especially nowadays. You're going to need something that's reliable, quick, and easy to use. So some highlighted features include a dual function with both forehead and ear reading capability. It is a clinically tested and FDA approved product. That's something really good. And instant use without any warm up or waiting time. Once you have the batteries installed, just take it out and you're ready to measure your body temperature. It has both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. It has a backlit screen to be able to read clearly at night. You'll be surprised how handy it comes, especially when you're around sick kids and can't turn on the lights. And it comes with a high fever alarm for high readings, and the backlight turns red when a high fever reading is taken. Pretty sweet. Before we go on to see how to take a reading, I would really appreciate if you would take a few seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel for tech reviews, unboxings, and everyday carry items. So, how to take a reading? It is as easy as point and press. The instructions are clearly labeled on the box as well, for how to take a reading from ear or how to take a reading from head. In this stock form, it's ready to take the reading from the head. Make sure your forehead isn't sweaty or wet. Just put the thermometer sensor on one side, press and hold the head button, and swipe across to the other side, and then let go. You should hear a single beep, and the screen should light up green if the reading is in the normal range, and if it isn't, you'll hear a beeping alarm and the screen will light up red. Pretty cool. Actually really hot. And lo and behold, the top comes off to expose the ear probe. The box says you need to pull the ear up and back, and then gently insert the probe and tap the ear button to get the reading. So it takes about 3 seconds, maybe 4 seconds to get a reading. It even keeps record of your last 20 readings, although I haven't found that as useful, since you kinda remember how bad you were or one of your family member was feeling when you last took the reading, but still it's good to have an added cool feature. And now finally, the one negative thing that I have to say about this device. There is no way to turn off the beeping while taking a reading. Now, as small as this problem sounds, when you have an irritable sick kid who's sleeping and you have to take a reading, you're more likely to wake them up, especially if the high fever beeping alarm goes off. Not sure if it's a deal breaker, but I have been using this device for a long time and it has served me well, but you need to be careful when to take a reading. So to sum up, if you've been searching for a quality thermometer that can serve the entire family, your search can finally end here. With both forehead and ear readings, you're able to get a quick and accurate result every time when you put your faith in this device. So that's it for today. I've got a bunch of cool stuff lined up for you. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Stay safe.
Blog entry. Gadgets and lifestyle.